So just taking a quick look at Polygon on our daily time frame here. As we can see, coming down and retesting into the lows again, with Bitcoin getting another retracement. I did think that Polygon would probably see some more relief off of the lows before it did retrace. Obviously, we've seen across the market, just look at quite a lot of those top 50 altcoins and you will see lots and lots of bigger reversals than Polygon, you should say, off the lows. We have seen, obviously, I'd say Veracity has had a pretty decent textbook reversal. Quant is also another one which comes to mind. Both putting in those big W double bottom patterns, which have seen really, really nice moves back to the upside recently. But you can see Polygon has been struggling and lagging behind here, although it is putting in some monstrous bullish divergences here. If we come down and close below this level down here, you will see the ridiculous lower lows price action, higher lows on your RSI. On the daily time frame as well, this is a ridiculously huge bullish divergence. You can see not much desire, in my opinion, for people to be selling Polygon here. I think most people are just trading this, to be honest. I can't imagine there are that many people who are, you know, selling their spot bags at the lows here for Polygon. You can see quite clearly we've come into a big area of demand. This is where we basically bounced in our bear market range low of 2022. We've obviously been going sideways since then. We've come down to retest the lows before that bull market comes in my opinion. That one last sweep of the lows to really get everyone to sell. But as you can see here, in my opinion, very much looking like we're basically just coming into this low here. Very, very overextended to the downside now under resistance. We've obviously got 1-2 breaks of that resistance now, and really we're just looking for that area of support somewhere down here in the region between 30 and 35-40 cents before we just get that reversal back into the bull market, in my opinion. Obviously Bitcoin dragging the market down right now, as you would expect. But overall, I do think we are going to have our time in the sun, and these entries for Polygon are getting pretty damn juicy, to be honest, aren't they? So let's see what we can do. Make sure to get a trading bot from the description below. Sign up for Bybit for a huge 30k bonus down below as well, and like and subscribe for more.